long? The time it was longer and longer. It was smaller. It was longer. Yeah.
Okay.
And before it hit ground, maybe 8 inch before maybe. They must stop. They must shorten the belt.
Yeah.
But I think the shorten the belt is for the maintenance people, or you make it also.
I think most of that stuff's gonna be from like the day side, but maybe we have to do something on overnight just because it's a problem. But
yeah, if you have some problems, normally the maintenance guy. But I can explain it also. They stop the belt and we make it here a crossbar with a piece of wood. Fix it here with 2 clamps. This part of the belt is fixed here on the table. Then we open here the welding point. So the same stick on the other side also with the grinder. Take here a clamp and pull the belt a little bit in this direction, takes the stick out, shorten the belt for ½ meter or more, pull it more, then it comes together, takes the stick in, take the welding point, and then it can work again. You look, you see here, the belt, it's outside, inside, outside, inside, outside, inside.
Yeah.
And you must be sure that when you take it together, then also outside, inside, and not outside, outside, or inside, inside come together. That's not works. So the belt in the kiln is another material, different material, like the belt on the cooling table. It is stainless steel, and the cooling table is normally steel. And in Estonia they make a mistake. They take the stick in, but the wrong one. They take the normally steel in the kiln, and he breaks after a while, and they have the completely product powder inside. Big, very big crash. This belt is 2.2 meter, the cooling table 2.4 meter. And we have some sticks on stock. Jacob and Art and Mike know that. And when we are sure if the right stick or not, take a magnet. The stainless steel is not magnetic. Steel is. That's so. Then but you also can look, not every day or something. Small change. Now it's a little bit gap. This is okay. Can be a little bit more. When the belt stands, it was very tight. Now here, this side, so much power for turn around the completely weight from the belt and the powder. It's normal. Here a little bit gap. It's okay. This is a regulating system for the belt. We have here 2 rolls on the left and the right side for control the belt. And the belt comes to mark on this side. This roll as a contact, this one comes here, and then you see the motor move a little bit. But now I will not do much. Deregulated. Later, when the belt was smaller, I tell also the maintenance people, but open this both screws and take this plate with the sensor on both sides a little bit
that way.
But near the belt. And then they change the belt, the new belt, take it out. That's what you must look for. The main roll is a big roll with rubber. Here, this roll, press the belt of this roll. If you have two hydraulic cylinder, here are the hydraulic valves. They are 21 bar power, but automatically. On the top there's the hydraulic, and here's the sensor. That's the pressure. Maybe you have a leak or something. The pressure goes down. It pumps for 10 seconds, 15 seconds, or that they have the 20 bar. Then pump stops. I told the maintenance people the bearings here, pump with electric pump, 2-3 pumps every 2.5 to 3 months on the end bridge. And the exit a little bit warmer. I prefer there maybe every 2 months. A little bit graze in, at all. But I don't know if who makes the job. You make it at night shift or who make it. Very important is that you clean maybe 1 time per day the filters from the combustion air.
Yeah.
I think Jano or you make it with Jano or with Philip? One
Jano.
day before. I think it's showing you.
I don't know if we've shown it yet, but
Filters?
yeah.
Yeah,
Frosty.
we cleaned it today.
Yeah, I cleaned it once.
Yeah. Maybe clean it 1 time per day.
Yeah.
It's easier for the. You have here a burner system. The burner, gas valve, air valve, and the BCU. And each burner has a number. See it here, 41. Here's a 41, and here's also a 41, and here's also 41. And here I mark which pressure on gas and air. But I think it's also for the maintenance people that they, maybe when a burner makes a problem, that they check the burner, maybe adjust the burner or something. Normally the burner runs very good. Later, half year or whatever, maybe it comes that they don't restart. Yeah. Normally they start when the air valve is open 30%, and then it go in the regular modus between 100 and 7%. Less 7%, the burner stops, and when he not restarts, you get here an error. It's here in front E. It's error. And then you get an alarm. You see also which burner is it. Yeah, you can go on the and you see here one of these burners with an error fault, and then maybe this one you put on this plate, and then you see the burners, which burner is it, and you have here also the burner numbers from zone 8, zone 7, and then you can see it, and then you can we go back. It's here was the burner 41, was on this side. The flow direction is the screen is like the same direction in the kiln. The burners who signs a little bit bigger on this side, the smaller one on this side. You see it also here. This is a bigger one in zone 1, so the left side, and this 41 is on the right side.
Yeah.
You can see now I don't know if you've seen it. He was purged a little bit. Temperature was too high, and then he blow a little bit cold air in.
Yeah.
So when he now restart, maybe after a year or something, he don't restart every time correctly. Maybe the pressures are not changed a little bit.
You can feel a little bit more, right?
You have here the one electrode for start the burner, and this electrode look if the flame is burning. Yeah. You can take this electrode out, or both, and clean them. Maybe there's a little bit of dust. I'll show it you. Push here, the burner's out. Yeah, so throw that. Then out. Take this away. When you take both, yeah, and which one was on which side? You know. Here's a mark and here's a mark. You see?
Yeah.
This one comes here. This was for the flame. So then. Open it, turn it out. That's air, only air, no gas. Now it's warm here on this side. Yeah. You see here, on this side comes a little bit dust, but not so, but change a little bit the color. Maybe it can be that it's completely black from the dust. Take a steel brush, but wait a minute or something. That's a little bit warm. And then clean it with a steel brush. Then you can take it in. This electrode, when the pilot, not the pilot, it was the electrical jump over. What was the English name? The spark, yeah, sorry, spark. Every time the spark comes on the same point here, this point was smaller and smaller. And then I showed the maintenance, you can hold it here. And hold here. And it's connected here, and you can turn it a little bit round. Yeah. And then there's another from this point, nearby, and then spark goes from this side. I can clean a little bit, but now it's okay. It's new. But this can happen later. We can also make a nitrogen. The burner makes one fall after the other. Something is wrong. First clean it. When you take it in, let's look. There are some small tubes for hold the ceramic, and not.
Don't jam it in.
Yeah, a little bit. Look where it is. There is it, and then.
So also don't want to over tighten it, right?
No.
Just nice and snug.
Oh, a little bit. One more. That's enough.
Yeah.
Connected it. Push one times here and then H1 means starts. The clap go closed. And then we go open. Yeah, go open to 30%. Comes H2. The valve starts. Comes 4 and then 8. At first comes 0, 4, but for a millisecond or something. 4 means the burner is running, they have a flame, it's without problems running. 8 means it's regulated. Yeah. 8 volt every time, good. Yeah. We have here on this side. 8 or 7 or 8 thermocouples for the bottom zone, and also on the top we have thermocouples for the top zones, and on the top we have 2 thermocouples. One regulated the zone and one controlled it. They have both. And in the cabinet, both temperature for both come in. And when the difference between this both is too high, maybe 20 degrees or 50 degrees, it's a different, then there's something wrong. Yeah. Maybe the thermocouple is old, broken or something, or the wire is broken or whatever. We must change the thermocouple. When you change the thermocouple, open these 2 screws on the side, and you can take the thermocouple out. When you take it in, be sure that it's completely in. Because if it is not completely in, the end of the thermocouple, it's inside isolation, and you have a measurement. Yeah, it's not temperature inside; it's temperature inside the isolation. Then you have a different. It goes higher and higher temperature, but it's no problem for when you have a high limit. Normally, the production temperature is 880, 885, 890 or something. The kiln is maximum 950, and we checked last week with the inspector from Intertech. The maximum temperature that we can drive here is 930, and when one thermocouple in one zone, temperature go high, whatever, the thermocouple, this is not completely in, and over 930, the completely heating system in this zone stops and starts to cool it down. Yeah. Blow air on. That we are sure that we not overheat the kiln. Yeah. Also here, chain. Very tight, it must be very tight. When here comes a gap, yeah, that you see that it goes here around or it goes here a little bit down. Then you must open these 4 screws. And here's another screw, and you can tie it a little bit down, but make it when it's running. Open it. 1 turn, each screw, and then a little bit down when the chain was tired. But now it's okay. And this is a controller that the motor is turning. each motor have this one. We have on this, we have 3 on the side for the rollers, and we have the main for the chain, main mode engine, engine for the chain, and we communicate it together. It's one stop, whatever, completely system stop. And then you get an alarm, motor section 1, it's fault or something, whatever. Then you must go and look what's happened. Why is it fault? Yeah. When some SIC tube's broken, and it's not so often. In Estonia, they have the same one. The last 2 years, 2 rolls are broken, not more.
Yeah.
When one broken, you can run. It's no problem. the belt go over one. But more in the line are broken, you must start and change that.
Yeah.
The biggest mistake was what I told you, that they take the wrong pin in the belt. He breaks, and then with this also 10 SIC tubes broke. It was a little bit more work. But I think change the rolls, also work for the maintenance people and art, and we have changed them all. When we deliver the kiln, they were all broken on the end. We must all turn all around, and they know where they must do it. You can leave it open. Tomorrow morning I take the cover back. We have here a manometer for the combust air. Now it's 1.12 psi. Let's control that into the combustion air is pressure. Yeah. The limit switcher and lower 0.7 psi comes the alarm. I have not enough air pressure. Yeah, not enough air pressure for that the burner can burn correctly.
Yeah.
Then something wrong, something happened. I don't know what. Maybe there's a leak or something, or when the filter, when you clean the filter 1 month now, then you see it comes also. They can suck not enough air on, filter blocked, it can not in.
Yep.
Or maybe when there's something wrong with the ventilator, that the heating not works correctly or something, it comes with an alarm. And yesterday when we heat up, the first 30 minutes we purge with air. 1.5 hours because we must purge the pipes of the volume inside. So with all burner, all air valves completely open, and then we purge completely with air, 5 times. We have here also pressure limit switcher. Over there in the combust air pipe goes this direction is a orifier plate for the pressure difference. And then we know that we have pressure, but when all the valves are closed, we have pressure but no flow.
Yeah.
So this orifier plate show us that we have a flow from the air when the valves are open. Yeah. That's only this one. It's only the lamp is green when we are purging. Only for that. Gas inlet. You see it yesterday. We have here two pressure limit switcher, one for max, one for min. And when, like yesterday, we went over temperature, and on 1 second to the next, all burner stops. The regulator knows it not directly, and we have too much pressure here in.
Yeah.
Yep. You see that it was here the red light.
Yeah.
And then you have too much pressure here inside. You must take a little bit out. The easiest way, but I don't told it yesterday, you can open this one.
Yeah.
We make here a hole for measurement for the intertake. I think that Canadian mechanic comes next week and change this cap to another one without a hole.
Yeah.
So I told her yesterday when this completely closed, open here this one.
Yeah.
Or you can also open here this screw or this screw. That's the same.
Yeah.
Yeah, but this was for me yesterday the easiest way. But find Jano this screw, open it a half turn, a little bit gas come out. You see that the lamp switch from red to green. It means the pressure are all okay. You can restart.
Yeah.
Make it here was the easiest way.
Yeah.
Or here this goes. Yeah, when the kiln start, it purge, and we have two different kind of liquid check from the air pipe, from the gas pipe. Sorry. At first, this valve's closed. Pressure is here. Minimum is good. Then this valve's open for maybe 5 seconds, and we are sure that in the completely line it's no pressure. So, and then there's a run time from 600 and I think 10, 12, 15 minutes, seconds, more than 10 minutes, 11 minutes. And when in this time the pressure here go higher and higher, here's the limit switcher. It's I don't know PSI. It's 14 or 13 inch per PC. And yeah, the pressure goes up here. The limit switcher gives a signal to the cabinet, there's something wrong. Liquid test 1, it's not okay. Then you know this valve is legally.
Yeah.
So, when this is okay, this valve open for 5 seconds. Then we are sure that we have pressure in this line. And then we hold it also more than 700 seconds. Completely time was 23 point whatever minutes. And it's one leak inside, completely pipe system. The pressure falls and the limit switcher sees also. It's under pressure and it gives alarm. And after the runtime for 23 minutes and both pressure tests was okay, then we can start the burner. So when then also the runtime from the purge time, 30 seconds are over, then the burner starts automatically. Yesterday, we can do it now also. When one burner is off, you can't start the system because all burners must be connected and on. Yeah. I told it yesterday, Jano, we switch 2 burners off.
Yeah.
I told him switch them on, that we can make the liquid check. Yeah. Start it, and after the liquid check, you can switch them all off if you want. Then you can switch off if you need. Well, one BCU was a little defect. I think I think this one. The top light
Yeah.
was not working.
Yeah, that's right.
I think it was this one. I'm not sure. 0 means it's okay, but today now it's out of order. Yeah, now you start. When you don't burn, temperature too high, go 0, goes the temperature down. You start, goes the temperature higher and higher. Then you see here a P and a U for purging. So. Yeah, clean the filter, you know it. I don't know what you prefer, maybe every day in the night shift or the day shift or whatever. I prefer clean it every day and then you have, it's 5 minutes or something, you have not so much problems. If you have any questions, please ask me. So we have over this system, both sides, the key and the van, we suck the hot air out. Here's hot air, and on the top in the front is hot gas. And we can regulate it, how much air we take out. We can also regulate the temperature inside a little bit. We have here some plates. We have here on both sides, on the top. So when you open this plate a little bit, you have more drift from the middle to this side, and here the exit was warmer, heat up.
Yeah.
But the problem is when, here's the last thermocouple, section 12, when the temperature at the bottom higher than 810 degrees Celsius, the cake tears from the valve.
Yeah.
Go round. Must, now I think it's 750 or 760. That's okay, but not over 810.
Yeah.
Or 711. 711 is fine. You can regulate it here. When you open here a little bit, more temperature here, but later I give my drawing where we have the measurement how open each plate. When we take more air out, you can here regulate it. Some fresh air suck here in. Yeah, that temperature. The van is not too high. The van is the maximum 300 degrees. Now we a little bit under 200. That is okay. And Jano knows the most of the temperature and which point you must open that the temperature is okay and that the product looks good. And later, maybe after a year, when you know what you're doing with the kiln, maybe then can you start change a little bit on the, maybe if it's necessary, change a little bit on the set points, or open one plate. But when you do only one every time, this plate and then wait, not 2 or 3 things together, then you know not what was the reaction.
Don't know what's happening.
Yeah, what happened. And the reaction time from the kiln, maybe it's minimum 1 hour. When you open this one for 1 centimeter, it's, I don't know how much an inch, maybe a little bit less than a half inch. Then you see how latest at the hour that the temperature goes. You open it, more drop goes higher here in this section. And in Estonia it was 8 centimeter, and now we close a little bit to 7 because here the temperature was too high. Here we blow also cold air in. From here, and from here to the other end, across a pipe, 3 pipes, a kiln, and we blow cold air in. That the drift, we need a drift forward. Oh, also the how open this hand valve. Yeah, this is completely open, this is half, this is half. This is a set point from Estonia. We start with the set point in Estonia. This one we open a little bit more. I think Jano stay 2 weeks longer here. Comes every day and looks. And today I go with one section with the temperature a little bit higher, 5 degrees. And we know, yeah, when I make this one or this one, the product was better, blow more up. The middle section, I need here a little bit more temperature. But when he leaves, and he looks, all the flaps are in which position. Yeah. And then I write it on the drawing, send it to Mike, that we know what was first. Just from all the things. Maybe if you have later some problems, that anybody close or open something, then you can go, oh no, that's not correct. I have here a red mark.
Yeah.
This is, it's normally the center for the belt, but that's a belt. Move.
Yeah.
1.5 inch normally. Yeah. Without product, it comes this side. When it's cold, it goes more to this side or more to this side. When it's completely full, this powder, it goes in the center. It moves every time a little bit, that's no problem. We have the belt control, it's regulated, and too much to one side.
Yeah.
As a belt regulator, cannot move it completely alone.
Yeah.
Then we go here and turn these rolls on the ground. You see that normally they are in the center and they are straight. And for this situation now for this belt, the last 3 I take a little bit this way. But before the belt come on the regulation roll, it had to drift to this side.
Yeah.
Yeah. The next belt can be completely turned, yep. That will at first in the center then, but it's only when a big problem with the belt.
Yeah.
That it really goes straight to one side, then regulate it here. Shake that. Must be this side, takes the rolls this way.
Yeah.
Must it to the other side, roll this way. But also I take 3 rolls and then I wait. Because we need more than 1 hour for turn 1 round. And it comes not directly. Also the belt is not completely straight. Wait 1 hour and then you see a reaction. It was enough, it was too much. Yeah. And then maybe it was too much, regulated back was not enough, a little bit more. And when you regulate on the belt, you must have time.
Yeah.
It's not from now to 10 seconds,
Yeah.
you need hour. This is the controller for the belt. Wow. Wat heb je daar? 9. I don't know. Ah ja. Hi. Here's sensor info. There. Hi.
Hi.
You see now here it's in the center.
Yeah.
One side is plus, one minus. When you go to the left side, you see the green lamp comes here or here. Then it's regulated. Now it looks like in the center. Yeah. Some seconds go back. Hopefully. This is automatically and this is hand motor, then you can make it by hand, but staying automatically. That's I don't know. Whatever. 2 times per day when I go around here, I look how's the belt, how looks it, runs in the center. Don't with a measurement only look, mark, yeah, it's okay, it's in range. It's in range or not, and same like the other side, because I told you the tubes cross Kiln, and when this on number 9 completely open, the other side is also.
Yeah.
I have here also marked. Well, for me now it's turning also a little bit more or less. This one is also okay. Normally it's 50 millimeter when the belt is cold.
Yeah.
And when the hot cake comes here, now it's cold. So it comes out with 700 degrees. You heat it up, and it goes a little wider. You see it comes here.
Yeah.
You see it here where's the dust from. Yeah. If you must regulate this belt here on this point, when it comes too much left or right. Maybe also, now they stay all on this, the last 3 one, a little bit on this side, but the belt turns here. And never adjust it here. This side, not here.
Yes.
This side,
Yes.
now it's cold, comes here. But normally this belt can be a little bit more in this direction. Then adjust it here, this screw.
Yeah.
But when you adjust here, not so much. It's a hexagon, and when it, and look, this plate now, this plate is on the top.
Yeah.
When I adjust,
It might be.
one, but this plate is on the top,
Yeah.
not more. And then wait an hour.
Yeah. Slowly just like keep waiting.
When the belt warm, it goes this direction. It's moving all time. One thing that can happen. Here's a limit switcher for the that we are sure that the belt is running.
Yeah.
Yeah. If this belt is not running, also the belt in the kiln stops. So every time a signal comes, it goes, and when 10 seconds after the last signal comes no signal, comes the alarm.
Yeah.
The belt speed stops. First comes the alarm. There's something wrong. Because last week we have it. The cakes break, and this wheel was on the cake. This one up, hi, goes down. Yeah, and the contact between here and here goes like this. And then we have an error. On Sunday, Friday or Saturday, I make this one shorter. This one was here. I make it shorter, take it more in, and we have no problem. This is when you must change the sensor. Only over the big nut, not the other one. Open it a little bit, then you can turn it out. Yeah. When you turn it in, it's blocked here inside. Then you know, can go. Then you know it's the correct, the same position. Yeah, hi. Same position like before, and then fire this a little bit. It can't move, and then it's okay. Not tired completely. A little bit more than hand tired, and it's fixed. No, out. You don't like dogs?
Not really. Not bigger dogs.